Yeah, guys, look at my mango pudding. See that? Yeah, be a badness, guys. Be a badness. This a half. You understand how I did so? I go cut piece for me breakfast this morning, guys. So watch where I go and be a badness. Yeah, guys, me not lie, mango pudding bad. You understand how I did it bad? Me have half in the fridge. And see me have half on the table, so you don't know badness, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So I have two piece of mango pudding, yeah, with some tea this morning, with some sour sap leaf tea. Don't know badness though, guys. Guys, me I work with this inspector man. I mean I lie if you tell you the man tell him cousin say if me name have my son at Granville, he fire me long time. You understand how I did? I just threw me have my son at Granville, so check your levels. When you work with a man and them a go say certain things about you behind your back, then don't rate you. Cause if you go say something like that, you know rate me. You understand what I did? He don't rate me. Show me have my son a Granville, he not tap me. And then you come back and me tell you on your face where you say and you go say a lie. And a truth. Because you tell your cousin will just start work for the year, you tell him, say I just threw me have me youth a Granville, you know fire me long time, and he would come back and tell me everything. Even the Friday, when you come and me I tell you, you believe a joke me I make? Hmm? Say I'll find YouTube me I put it for show you say I'm the joke. Me I make you know the type of person you be. He's not a good person. As an inspector man, he's not a good person. Mm-hmm. You go, why you use that against me? Hmm? Have you have me off? Have you have me off? For what? Because you want me to do certain things and me don't want to do it. You understand what I did? You not tell me, oh, me not fi make no report for nobody. Because what are your family them? And you want them keep up them stupidness. And when they keep up them stupidness, nobody not fi report them. How much time I report to you? You remember what go down what day? Hmm? How much time I report to you before it happen? Hmm? How much time I report to you before it happen? How much time I make report to you? Both your cousin. And both your cousin, you know, and you vex. You have me off feet. Mm-hmm. Boss, he's not a good person, he's not a good police, he's not a good inspector, man. Be honest with me, I tell you the truth, you know so me talk to you. Hmm? You know so me come straight up and tell you certain things by your face so you can't believe and you talk so for truth. You talk so. Because if you talk so, me would not tell you that. If you never talk so, me couldn't tell you that. Yeah, laugh. Who me tell that? Who me tell that? Me know you tell Dwight Williams and you tell Oven. Because Oven is the one come back come talk. Thief in monkey now come back and tell me nothing because me a monkey and a friend. So you now go come back and tell me nothing. But Oven come back and talk. So me have to be careful of myself. Because you not rape me and me know that. Your own a cousin. Remember that. He's not a good person. Mm-hmm. Guys, me not lie, mango pudding bad. Mango and plantain. Mm. You know what kill enough for you? You see the little YouTube where me I do? That's why on a bad mind. I mean, I start get paid off of YouTube, then to put me in that get paid. Hmm? To put YouTube in that pay me, how you then go? Boss, you no need to know yourself, you don't know yourself. Remember me telling you that? You don't know yourself. In your bad mind. Mm-hmm. I mean, no, say the little YouTube thing where me has it had you not hard. I don't know, but it a puzzle on my brain. I mean, no start get paid yet. Then to put me that get paid. Boss, you no need to wise up, clean up on your heart dirty. Remember that on your heart dirty. Me did I work and same security send check to me. And me tell you as a policeman, as an inspector, and you don't do nothing. Hmm? When me do that, so tap me for work. People right now, me not work, And a long time this man want tap me for work. $700 a month me I pay for rent. And me I go fight against myself out of work. $200 a month me I pay for the youth. $175 for child maintenance, right? $200 a month. Me I pay in the courthouse a month for the youth. And me I go fight against myself out of a job. How me I go eat? Where me I go sleep? Under the tree? You no mean people no good, but everything good. Mm-hmm. 7 times rise and fall, yeah. Remember that 7 times rise and fall. Mm-hmm. I want you live. I want you live. You see me? Think I want nothing to you? I want you live. You see me? Corrupt officer, corrupt inspector, corrupt police. Alright, Uno, police like Uno. Uno is the one see things happen on the road and turn a blind eye to it. Police like Uno, inspector like Uno wicked, Uno lie. When your cousin he come to fight me, what make you feel me by blade to what me and I walk with God work? You may attack inspector. Why you feel me by blade and I walk with God work? Remember me report and tell you where the way going with? That's why me buy the blade. And the next look a dirty rasta one. Remember that. That's why me buy the blade in the walk with God work. Because me not take the disrespect. You as a policeman go and me report it to your family, them you not go say nothing to them. Where you feel say they could have beat me. Let me tell you this man. Anyhow, they me make the next move. But I show them God where them a serve. I mean, they don't report everything to you and you turn a blind eye to it. You play a deaf ears to it. And you play a dumb to it. You do like you don't hear nothing. You can't speak because you're dumb to it. And you can't see because you're blind to it. So me I go see, me I go hear, and me I go say. You understand me? Because me them I do it too. You own a cousin them boss. Let me tell you, if anyhow your cousin come back and try to disrespect again, but I show me God where you must serve. I not ask you that. I know me report it to you, you don't do nothing. Every time I look at thieving ex-police boy, Dwight Williams, every time thieving Dwight Williams call me name to you, you call me phone, I lie man I tell. And you know say I lie. And when you don't call me phone and I disrespect, boss, who you be so? Boss, let me tell you this man, a grenade this. Yeah, I'm a Jamaican. A grenade this, I'm a Jamaican. Remember that. You know good. You know good, boss. You know good. And you want to people them come tell me, so he's not a good people. He's not a good person. You must be careful of you. People see me on the street. A man from Wester Hall see me and ask who me I work with. Up after this. And me tell them who. And the man say, hey, be careful of yourself. Let me tell you, he's not a good policeman. Be careful of yourself. And I say, alright. And some hacky me pick over him man yard too. Hacky. And the man tell me to be careful of you. And one day again, me in a spring supermarket. And the man see me. And the man say, jam down. You hear what me tell you? Be careful of that man. He's not a good person. And me turn up and look on the man good. Remember that. And me find out that myself. Because me don't see you living. You're living and my living are two different living, boss. And I see you living, so at that time me even tell you say you want to resign because I see you living. You understand me, Adil? Yeah, I not lie to tell you. You living already, boss. As a policeman, inspector, and as who you live, you're not ready. I not lie to tell you. You don't already. You're not ready. There's enough things to talk, you know. Remember that, you know. Bro, if me have my son a country, you fire me a long time. How will you be? I think I'm hungry, me come a Grenada hungry. And hungry, me come a Grenada hungry. Yes, I come no hungry. Because if me da Jamaica, and me hungry, and me turn in the bush, me can take a 3 week, and make a 20 grand. You hear that? Remember that. I'm no lazy. I'm no thief. Yeah, me no thief. Oh, make sure I tell her that. But if me have my son a country, you fire me a long time. So that means you have me off. I mean that text it from you that you have a pick for me. You have a pick for me. I mean no. Every time you come, you're disrespectful. Disrespectful. Oh, you fight against yourself out of a job. You fight against yourself out of a job. Me see you come there one day, you go come ask me. You hear me and security a fight. Which security you hear me and them a fight? You just have build up some little dirty argument and you lied story. You come to me with boss, keep that to yourself. And people don't look how shake up me. He fire me. And I go tell me say, me left to work. Why you not make the people and pay me off? Eh? Why if you show you say you're a dirty police? Why you not make the people and I'm a matter of fact, as how the system set here, so. But that's why I tell yo, I don't want to go down that road. I don't want to go down that road. Guys, I'm out.